So how do you feel about online learning after you go through the lessons with Math Coffee?
You're like the best math teacher out there. You're a very dedicated tuition teacher. Like, I've never seen someone this dedicated. Like, I think it's even better because I get to watch and rewatch lecture videos and learn the concepts better. Like, I can better grasp them. And I feel that teacher Kenji, like, she puts in a lot of effort. Like, she's a very disciplined teacher. And like, whenever you ask her questions, right, give her a few, like 30 minutes or to an hour, and then she'll get back to you with a full video explanation. Even at 12 a.m., you'll respond to my messages, and like if I'm panicking about WA, you'll just calm me down, or like you'll send me videos. You're like awake 24/7, 12 to 1 also. And she has a lot of collated videos about that particular question or any topic in general. And sometimes she even has notes as well, and those notes are very useful.
So the notes actually did help you, is it?
Where she is very beneficial because it's like better than my own notes. Yeah, it is.
I have to be hardworking enough to go into the notes for all topics. People say teacher Kenji very fierce.
It's a good thing though. I feel like at the start I found you a bit very fierce. I feel like you really push me to do more work, and then I feel like I get better because of it.
Actually, it's really thanks to COVID. Really it's thanks to COVID. Before COVID, I do it physical, and then COVID pushed me to go online. But now I think I got 2,000 videos on my database. So I feel that the videos are able to let the student learn more in small time. So is teacher Kenji teaching videos solid or not?
Yeah, very solid. Like, it will cover every single aspect of the question, and she'll really go through every part. Because of the videos, I can learn at my own time and own pace.
Do you revisit the videos in the learning portal?
If I forget the topic completely, then I'll rewatch the whole thing.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good to know. How did Math Coffee help you improve your studies?
Before then, I didn't really have a lot of practice, and my school didn't give enough. Yeah.
School never give enough.
In school, you might not have enough time, or during lessons, don't dare to ask questions, or very paiseh. Then it's better to ask you, and you also explain it very clearly, and you give me a lot of time, and then I can apply math concepts to different questions.
How much have you improved?
B3 to A2, yeah. Because I always stagnant B3. I cannot move higher. But then in Sec 2, right, I did very, very badly for end of year. I barely passed, I think. I got C6. And then in the end, in Sec 3, I got A2 around there, or A1 even, yeah. Which is a very big jump for me.
What was your concern you had before engaging Math Coffee for online tuition?
At first, I was quite scared that I wouldn't be disciplined enough. I thought that maybe if I join online tuition, then I won't be focused. Because physical, then the teacher will look at you and then constantly monitor. But I feel because you constantly check out on me, when I'm doing my work, you keep asking oh, are you done? You really monitor. So it's physical tuition, but even better because I get to learn on my own pace.
Yeah, so actually a lot of times when I say it's online tuition, 99% of the concern is always my child cannot focus. It's always the same thing. Then I try to explain, say, okay, I got the software, and I will ask them to send every 3 questions. So far, students will say cannot focus, but they got no chance to be distracted. That's how I tell them. So only those who stay open to try, never regret that try. Is this your only online tuition, or do you have other online tuition as well?
Oh, this is my only one.
Oh?
Yeah.
Rest are physical, or you don't have other tuition?
Physical.
Oh, so that means now your previous one is all physical. That means you go down to the tuition center.
Yeah, and then but I feel because it's online, right, then it's more convenient for me. That's why I didn't really, I just told my mom that I just wanted to continue. Because I also feel it's very convenient for me. Then I won't be as tired. If I go down to the tuition center, then it's very tiring.
What do you like about teacher Kenji?
Teacher Kenji is not only a teacher. She is also a very caring friend. No, she's a mother. Because right, she'll always send you messages, and then she'll be very motivating. Then I feel whenever she gives me advice on how to manage exam stress, right, I feel it's very helpful. And then I feel less dejected when I do badly for exams also, because she's very nice, and she'll always send you encouraging messages and motivational messages. Not only that, she's just a very dedicated teacher. If you join her, then your math will really improve, and also you don't need to worry that it's not on par to physical tuitions, because I think it's even better. And yeah, she's a very, very caring teacher. She really cares about every student, because even you text her at midnight, she will still reply.
One concern is our setting is in a 6 breakout room in a Zoom. How do you feel about this setting? Do you feel like, hey, you are so alone inside your breakout room, and then it's like, hey, nobody is watching me in my breakout room?
No, I feel less pressured. Because if I see all 6 people, right, I'll be very scared. Because I'll be constantly scared that they will look at me study or something. And I like it that it's breakout room because I feel like it's more one-on-one.
I like it is because I'm able to go around and then I can have private chats with the students. Because sometimes some students are very paiseh about their pace. They feel that maybe they are like not fast enough, then they scared they ask stupid questions, then they don't dare to ask. So I like the breakout room, but I don't know whether you all will feel lonely or not.
No. I like it more. Like for physical tuition, right, you have to ask the teacher on the spot, or you have to ask after lesson. But then for online tuition, because like you're there already, then I'm not paiseh to ask. Then I'm like not as scared. Then I'll just ask you. So far it's okay for me. But you know, whenever I'm stuck, right, like if I want to revise for O-level topics, I'll look at your notes, you know.